front of me is the brand new 911 GT3 RS. And this car is an absolute beast. This car is so rare that you have to be invited by Porsche to actually buy the car, and it's considered a privilege. Because this Porsche is so rare, it's pretty obvious why the customer wants it protected, which is why we are applying full car paint protection film to this GT3 RS. So it's an absolutely insane car, it's going to be an insane video, and we cannot wait to protect this Porsche 911 GT3 RS. So let's jump into the video. As you can see, we are using a pre-cut PPF. It's important to make sure that the film is positioned correctly and locked, especially with a pre-cut. The stickers have now been removed, so we can apply the film directly to the paintwork. This quarter panel is easily the biggest part on the car, so it's vital that we install it correctly, and then we will move on to the spoiler. Here is a quick update on this GT3 RS. The car is around 50% complete. The bonnet and both the side wings have been completed. As you can see, the driver's side door handle is off this car because we're about to apply the film to this driver's side door. The passenger side wing mirror has been protected. So we have done the carbon part of the spoiler, but the grey bit of the spoiler is yet to be PPF'd. The driver's side quarter panel has been completed, but the passenger side is yet to be complete. Behind me, the stickers are off this car now, and we have ordered the new ones, and they are currently over on the table over there. So I'm going to show you the stickers now. So in this box here are the new stickers. As you can see, there's a H and an E for the Porsche, and the update is complete. Let's continue on with this Porsche GT3 RS. It's a new day, so we are going to start off with the doors, then the passenger side quarter panel. We also applied film to the sill plates, as this is an area that is prone to a lot of damage. We have now finished applying the film to this GT3 RS. Now let's apply the stickers, and to do that we need to put the car on the ramp. The new stickers are now on, and that means that this Porsche is now complete. Thank you for watching and enjoy the edit. The GT3 RS is an engineering beauty, and this car is protected for at least 12 years. If you did enjoy the video, please like and subscribe. It helps out our channel massively, and you get to see content on gorgeous cars like this. And as one car goes, another comes, so stay tuned for our next video, and until that video, goodbye.